This is pretty much the home screen of the AI application. You have a lot of templates which you can use. As you can see here, all you have to do is just pretty much upload a clear image of yourself or your face and you get these results. So let's say, for example, this one here, Wolverine Rage. All you have to do is just upload a clear image of yourself and you'll be able to get this result, as you can see here. So that's pretty much basically it for all of these templates here. So this is pretty much a template based application. It does have the ability to generate videos, AI videos as well. You can tap on the custom create your option here. You're able to generate your video. As you can see here, you can describe your video. You can also add a starting or a photo, I would say, image to video option. You can upload a photo here, but you don't have to, it's optional. And as well, you get other ending scene as well. You can add that as well. So let's say, for example, I'm going to enter a cat here and I'm going to tap on generate. So that's pretty much it. And as you can see here, it does require me 60 of these, I would say, coins or credit, but yeah, it does require 60 per image or per template for you to generate something. So this is pretty much the price section here. So you can see here the price of everything. Once you purchase a plan, you do get credits. As you can see, you get a 60 credit for this plus plan here. And do keep in mind the credits and it's pretty much different. So that's pretty much it for that there. And if you do tap on the gift section here, you'll be able to get free credits by just watching ads as well. So that's pretty much it for that there. And as you can see here, sometimes if it doesn't generate the video, you can also refund the credits. So once it does tap on the refund option here, as you can see here, I've got back the credits that was there. So in the profile section here is much as well. There's information about your account, nothing much about that. So that's pretty much how you use this application. It's very easy to use. You have a lot of templates and effects which you can use in this application. All you have to do is just upload a clear image of yourself and then get these results. So if I missed anything at all, just let me know in the comment section and I'll see if I can help you out.